I got this little toy that moves. They're cracking me up because they're not quite sure what to do with it, but they're very intrigued and they're not afraid of it. And I have had toys that move like this before, but they were afraid of them. The reason I got this one to try it out is because it has a tail and they love chasing anything with a tail. This one it's really funny. It'll yeah, you can see it kind of move. It changes direction. It flips the tail around. They're not afraid of it. Here comes the other one. And it'll like, right now it's up against this. It comes out. Like, this is a good thing about it. I haven't seen it get stuck anywhere yet. And it changes direction on its own. It's got like I think it has 2 speeds on it. And the ball itself is made of fabric, so it's not slippery. It has some texture to it. It does make this squeaking noise every now and then. And then it does this weird thing. It has 2 speeds on it. But yeah, they're very interested in it, and it's going to keep them busy, which is good because they get bored and they're just sitting around and I feel bad. But they're paying attention to it. They're following it around. Okay.